Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to remove someone from admin in Viber group. To remove someone from admin in Viber group, first you have to tap open application or visit the official website that is viber.com. Either way, make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on your group chat. Here, tap on the three dots located on the top right. Now, tap on chat info. Scroll down and you will see your admin list and your participants list as well. Tap on the person you want to remove from admin. Once you do this, this pop-up message will appear. Here, you have the option to message the person, call the person, view the person, remove the person from the chat, or remove the person as an admin. Here, we will be removing this person as the admin, so tap on remove as admin. With that, you have successfully removed this person from admin in your group. Now, that person won't have the permission or access to make changes to the group settings. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.